Installing a new door in your Middleton home can seem like a simple upgrade, but even small mistakes during installation can lead to major issues down the road. From energy loss to security risks, improper installation affects not only your comfort but also your home's long-term performance. Whether you're replacing an outdated entry door, adding a new patio door, or upgrading for better energy efficiency, understanding the common mistakes to avoid during door installation can help ensure a flawless result. Here's what every Middleton homeowner should know before starting their next door project. Skipping professional installation. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is assuming they can install a new door themselves. While DIY projects can be rewarding, door installation requires precision, experience, and specialized tools. A small misalignment or uneven hinge placement can cause the door to stick, leak air, or fail to close properly. Professional installers understand how to measure, level, and seal doors to withstand Middleton's variable weather, from chilly winters to humid summers. By hiring an expert, you ensure your door is installed correctly, securely, and efficiently the first time around. Incorrect measurements. A door that doesn't fit perfectly can lead to endless frustration and wasted money. Even a fraction of an inch off can cause gaps, drafts, and misalignment. Some homeowners measure only the width and height of the door slab, forgetting to include the frame and threshold dimensions, which are equally important. Professionals take multiple measurements, including the rough opening, frame depth, and squareness of the wall, to ensure a perfect fit. Proper measuring guarantees that your new door not only looks great but also performs optimally. Ignoring proper sealing and insulation. Middleton's seasonal temperature swings make proper sealing and insulation crucial. Skipping this step or using low-quality weather stripping can result in drafts, moisture intrusion, and higher energy bills. A poorly sealed door allows cold air in during the winter and lets cool air escape in the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Moisture that seeps in through gaps can also lead to rot or mold over time. Professional installers use premium weather stripping, caulking, and insulation foam to create an airtight seal that protects your home year-round. Choosing the wrong door material. Not all doors are created equal, especially when it comes to Middleton's climate. Choosing a material that doesn't suit local conditions can lead to warping, fading, or cracking. For example, solid wood doors are beautiful but may absorb moisture, expanding or shrinking over time. Steel doors are durable but need protective coatings to prevent rust. Fiberglass doors offer excellent energy efficiency and moisture resistance, making them ideal for Middleton's weather. When in doubt, consult a professional installer to determine the best material and finish for your home's specific needs. Forgetting about alignment and leveling. Even a high-quality door won't operate smoothly if it's not properly aligned. A misaligned door can stick, drag on the floor, or fail to latch properly, leading to safety and energy issues. Professionals use leveling tools and shims to ensure the door is perfectly square and plumb within the frame. This step ensures smooth operation, proper sealing, and a longer lifespan for both the door and its hardware. Overlooking hardware and security features. Your door's locks, hinges, and handles are just as important as the door itself. Using cheap or poorly fitted hardware compromises security and performance. In Middleton, where safety and energy efficiency are top priorities, upgrading to reinforced locks and hinges can make a big difference. A professional installer will ensure that hinges are securely anchored into the frame. Locks are properly aligned with strike plates. Handles and knobs are adjusted for smooth operation. This attention to detail not only enhances safety but also extends your door's durability. Neglecting the finishing touches. A door installation isn't complete without proper finishing. Skipping paint, sealant, or trim adjustments can leave your new door vulnerable to the elements. These final details protect the frame from moisture damage, improve aesthetics, and ensure lasting performance. Professionals take the time to seal edges, apply protective coatings, and check for any imperfections, leaving your door polished and ready to withstand Middleton's climate. Final thoughts: door installation may seem straightforward, but precision, skill, and experience make all the difference. By avoiding these common mistakes, and trusting professional installers, you'll enjoy a door that looks beautiful, operates flawlessly, and protects your home for years to come. For homeowners in Middleton, investing in expert door installation means better comfort, improved energy efficiency, and lasting peace of mind. After all, your door isn't just an entryway, it's your home's first line of defense against weather, noise, and time.